It's a big contrast between nature's world that we woke up in this morning and the man-made world that's outside. Very busy road, hectic tempo, different frequency. I've got to tell you that the nature's frequency and tempo is much more suitable for the well-being of humans than the man-made frequency and tempo, which is really chaotic and high. So yeah, if you want to stay healthy in this world, spend as much time as possible within nature's frequency and try and avoid the man-made frequencies as much as possible. It's very unhealthy for your system and your metabolism and everything else. Psychologically as well, it's very draining. But that's just a bit of advice. Road ahead.